All right, fifth grade, we are still working on our multiplication and subtraction review. This video is also going to go along with 4.4 remembering, and I'm calling it part 2 because I had a little glitch and I couldn't film the second example on the first video. So let's jump into our second example. If you haven't seen the first video, that was reviewing how to subtract decimals, going along with numbers 1, 2, and 3 on your worksheet. And this one, we're going to be looking at 10 through 13, how to multiply. So let's jump into it. Now remember, earlier this week, we reviewed the two-step method to multiplication. Today, we're going to be reviewing the box method, okay? So if I look at the box method, let's take a multiplication problem. And let's say I have 25 times 13. Okay? Now when I do the box method, what I need to do is draw out a rectangle. And divide that rectangle into 4 spots. Kind of unequal, right? I've got a smaller box, 2 rectangles, and a big rectangle. And up at the top, I'm going to take, well, what's in the ones place for 25? Well, 5 is. I'm going to write 5 up here. What's in the tens place? Well, 20 is. 20. 20 plus 5 gets me 25. Okay. What about 13? What's in the tens place? Well, 10. What's in the ones place? Well, 3. 10 plus 3 gets you 13. If you say, this is kind of complicated and your parents might not like this method, which is okay. But the point is to show you how to quickly estimate in your mind, okay? And to not be relying on a calculator. Okay, so let's ask ourselves, we're going to put the big times symbol up here. What's 20 times 10? Well, 20 times 10 gets me 200. All right, now ask yourself, what's 10 times 5? 10 times 5 is 50. Good. 20 times 3. Very good, that's 60. And now finally, 3 times 5. Well, that's 15. Now I take those 4 numbers and I add them all together. 200 plus 50 plus 60 plus 15. Let's add them up. 0 and 0 and 0 is 5. 0, 5, 6, and 1 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 and 2 is 3. So I get 325. Now, if you did the two-step method, you would also get 325. The benefit of the box method, even though it takes up a lot more space than the two-step method, is that I can easily use my basic multiplication facts. And it helps me divide it up. You have to use the box method on number 10, but on numbers 11, 12, and 13, you can do either method. Put that into practice today on 4.4 remembering.